Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change default calling app on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to make the call from the another app other than phone, then how you can change the default settings for the calling on your iPhone iOS 26. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS 26. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And here you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS 26 on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for the settings again, and here you have to click on apps, and you have to look for the phone app, and here you have to click on that. And if you have to find the default settings for the call, and if you do not find any kind of settings related to that setting, then you can simply go to that app you want to set as default calling. For example, if you want to set the WhatsApp as default calling, then you can simply, first of all, you have to provide full access of the contacts to the WhatsApp, and after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of default messaging app option and also default calling app. And here you can simply find the option related to that. For example, if you want to set it to the WhatsApp, then you have to simply click on that. And if you want to set it to the phone book or mobile service, then you can also select that. Moreover, there is option available of the FaceTime audio, so you can simply select any of them. And if you want to set it to the WhatsApp, then you can simply change it from here. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.